Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Camilla for those of you that are new here. So today's video is super exciting because it's my birthday today. I turned 20 years old. I just don't believe it. It's so crazy to me. I've been on this earth for 2 decades. Today I wanted to make a sitting down talking to you guys video and just tell you guys the 20 things that I learned in the 20 years of my life. Yeah, and as I'm doing that, so it's not too boring, I'm gonna be baking a cake. I'm gonna start off with the first thing that I learned, and it is mom is always right. She really wanted me to put this in, and I was thinking about it. I was like, yes, that is true in some cases. It's both my parents, so I'm just gonna say, like, my parents are always right in a way. Most of the time are right. There we go. Number 2, friends come and go. I learned this, I guess, the hard way in a way, because I learned that, like, some friends you need in your life, like, in that certain period of your time, but, like, some time passes and I feel like you just grow apart sometimes. There's a lot of friends that I had back in high school or, like, back when I was younger or whatever, and then now I'm looking at it like, yes, I needed them. Those people made me who I am today, so I feel like I did need them in my life. They helped me become who I am, but some friends aren't forever, and I learned that kind of in a hard way, and yeah, it made me sad for a while, but then I just saw it like, you'll make new friends. Kind of sad, but I don't know. Okay, let me just pour all of this in. Number 3 kind of goes along with that, and it's like, you can't really force a relationship with somebody. If you're not happy and you try to force a relationship, if something bad happens, you're like, oh no, I'm just gonna, like, brush through it, brush past that. I feel like you really can't, and you can't really force something that you don't feel genuinely, so yeah. Number 4, budgeting. I learned how to budget, like, yeah, I, like, used to save money here and there, but I, like, learned how to save my money, planned out, like, how to save money, and that helped me so freaking much last year. So the ending of 2019, I was super financially stable, I guess that's how you say it, and then I decided to quit because, yes, I was financially stable, but I was so unhappy. I was so, like, depressed in a way. Like, I don't want to say that, I don't want to use that word so lightly, but I was so sad all the time. I didn't want to do anything else in life. It took a lot in me to have, like, to quit, and I put myself first. I was like, no, like, I don't need this job, like, I'm not gonna grow in it. So then I decided to do school, and that's when I had to start budgeting like crazy, save money to pay for school, and I did it. I did 1 year. So it's already been a year that I've been in school, and budgeting helped me so much, and now I'm getting married this year and it's helping me still. So yeah, if you guys want to get into budgeting and learning how to save money, I've watched so many videos here on YouTube, how to budget, how to set up your monthly bills and payments and all of that, and it just super beneficial. So you should get into that if you are interested. I have a freaking measuring cup in my hand. Let me just do this before it's, like, too late. Okay, let me just put the water. 1 cup of water. A water bottle that I was drinking. I'm not gonna drink anymore, so might as well. Okay, 1 cup. 3 eggs. I got a knife to cut the butter. Wait. 1/3 cup of butter. 1/3 is... I'm just gonna put all of this. Hopefully it's right. Why can that be that, right? It has to be softened butter. Oh crap. Let's see how this goes. Ew, this stinks. All right, let's get back into it. So the next thing that I put down, so I think the 5th thing is appreciate the little things in life. So I just learned this past year, like, that just so much things can happen, and I feel like we just need to appreciate every little thing that we have in our life. And I don't know, I just learned to appreciate the little things, the time we have with people, and yeah, not take anything for granted. Number 6 kind of goes along with that, and I just put tell the people you love how much you love them and how much you appreciate them, because you never know. Like I said, so much happened this year. So many people, like, lost their loved ones, and that, it just makes me so sad. So I just realized that you need to tell the people you love that you love them more often. So number 7, I wrote down, you can't set goals without writing/planning out how you will get there. I can't just say, I'm gonna get fit this year. Knowing me, maybe it works for some people, I don't know, but for myself, I can't just say that I'm gonna get fit. No, I need to write out, how will I get fit, you know? How will I get there? Will I have to change my diet? Will I have to go to the gym? Will I have to go for a walk, do cardio, be more active, whatever. I'd never, like, if I don't write it out, like what I have to do that day or that week, that month, whatever, I won't do it. The 8th thing that I put down, I'm pretty sure I'm on the 8th, I don't know, I hope I am. It is, it's okay not to have everything figured out. I feel like my head is cut off. So I remember graduating high school, I was just like, I felt so sad because I felt like everybody had everything figured out. They knew what college they were going to. They already had a job. People were moving out of their like parents' house into their own place or like their apartment with their friends, whatever, you know. And I felt like I didn't know what I was doing, and I just felt so lost. And I know I have to trust God, and I knew that, and I was like, no, I'm trusting God. I know what he has in store for my life is so much greater than what I can ever expect. But I just felt so sad and like so lost, not like knowing what to do next, you know. That's when I figured out, if it's something that I can't fix or I can't do in that moment, I shouldn't worry about it. Number 9, I said everything happens for a reason. I feel like that's like my life motto. Number 10, social media is mostly fake, so stop feeling bad about yourself. Social media isn't what it seems to be, and there's just more going on. I learned that I need to stop comparing myself and all of that. And number 11 was, I learned to stop comparing myself to others. Okay, number 12, I learned to stop caring about what other people think. This one is a major thing that I learned, I think, in the past 2 years. I just used to care so much. Like, I used to compare myself a lot, and I don't know, it was just so unhealthy. I wouldn't do a lot of things because I'd be like, oh my gosh, no, they're gonna judge me so hard, and I can't do that because they're gonna talk about me. Like, why does that matter? Number 13, I learned to not be scared to try new things. And YouTube was a big thing that I started, and I was super scared to start, actually. I've made so many videos before I actually like posted my video. Stop being scared and just try it, you know? Number 14, I said get rid of the clothes that you haven't worn in over a year because you will never wear it again. This was a big one. So 15, I put surround yourself with people that you can be yourself around. I just hate, like, I had a lot of friendships that I just felt not myself and just felt like I was being drained after I got home from like hanging out, and it's just like, you shouldn't be with that person if you feel like that. So I just learned that I need to surround myself with people that are like gonna be positive and just like make me feel happy. 16, thrifting is your best friend and your wallet's best friend. 17, I said 9-to-5 jobs are not for me. So like I said before I started that job, I was miserable. 18, I learned that consistency, Jesus, I can't even say it. Oh my god, why can't I say it? Okay, 18, I learned consistency is key with anything in life. With my YouTube videos, like if I keep showing up, I will get more people watching my videos, I will get more subscribers, I will like have more people to connect with. If I go to the gym, I'll see improvements, but I need to be consistent in it. I just learned that in life, consistency with anything is just really good to just keep you going. 19, I learned weddings are so expensive. Literally anything with the name wedding or bridal or anything in that sort, it's just like up 10 times more. I'm engaged. I don't know if you guys are new to the channel, but yeah, I'm engaged, and just wedding planning, it's a lot because it's just so much money involved. Okay, I just put the cake in the oven because the beeper thing like went off maybe like 5 minutes ago. So okay, so I'm just gonna say the last final thing. It's not the most meaningful. This list isn't even in like a specific order, but it's like as I remembered, I would just write it down. And I learned that the dollar store is like literally one of my favorite stores for like literally anything. I feel like they have so many things. If it's like, I don't know, if it doesn't matter the quality of it, you should go to the dollar store instead. Yeah, those are my 20 things. I'll talk to you guys right when the cake is like done and cooling and stuff so we can ice it. Okay guys, so it is much later. I took it out of the oven like maybe hours ago, but I kind of messed it up right here. It like cracked when I was taking it out, and I totally forgot I was frosting it, and like I was gonna put it in like a square thing so I can just frost over it, but I forgot. So I'm just gonna cut a piece and just frost that piece that I'm gonna eat. I put a little bit of like chocolate. I don't know if you guys saw in the video, but I put like a little bit of chocolate in the middle to see if it did anything. I don't know. Aw, it made a C for Camilla. I just made a mess. Now let's get a little bit of frosting, I guess. I put it on like the side because I didn't want to turn it over. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed finding out the 20 things that I learned these past 20 years. Of course, I learned way more things and a lot of meaningful things as well, but I just wanted to share a few things with you. I think I said things so many times in that sentence, but yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell to be notified when I post a new video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys.